Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about radical equations, and we're going to solve each equation and remember to check for extraneous solutions. So, if I was given this equation, negative 10 times the square root of b minus 10 equals negative 60, okay? Well, first step is I need to divide by a negative 10 to both sides. That eliminates this. Remember, there's multiplication going on between negative 10 and the square root. So now I have the square root of v minus 10 equals negative 60 divided by negative 10 is a positive 6. I then have to square both sides because the square root is isolated, so I need to get rid of it. Right, so this is isolated, I can do this. So I'm left with v minus 10, not equals 10, v minus 10 equals 6 squared, which is 36. I then add a 10 to both sides, leaving me with v equals a 46. So now I need to check that. So negative 10, I rewrite my equation, square root of v minus 10 equals negative 60. I then plug 46 in for v, so I have negative 10 times the square root of 46 minus 10 equals a negative 60. 46 minus 10 is 36. Equals negative 60. Square root of 36 is just 6, so I have negative 10 times 6 here equals negative 60. And negative 10 times 6 is negative 60. Fantastic, left and right are equal, and so v equals 46 is my final answer. It's not extraneous. So let's recap. We're given our equation, negative 10 equals the square root of v minus 10 equals negative 60. I divided by negative 10 on both sides to leave the square root by itself, so I then have the square root of v minus 10 equals 6, right? Negative 60 divided by negative 10 is 6, positive 6, right? A negative divided by negative is a positive. The square root's by itself, so it's isolated, so I need to square both sides to eliminate it. I'm left with v minus 10 on the left equals 6 squared equals 36 on the right. I then add a 10 to both sides, give me v equals 46. I then plug it back into my original equation, so I've rewrote my original equation. I then plug 46 in for v, and I simplify. 46 minus 10 is 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Negative 10 times 6 is negative 60, and my left and right hand side were equal, and so I don't have an extraneous solution, or an extraneous solution, and so confidently I can state that v equals 46 is my final answer.